Good morning everyone, we are here at Alton Towers. It's 2025, tomorrow is the start of their brand new season for the year, and today Alton Towers have very kindly invited us down, a part of the Content Creator Programme, to have a look at TOXICATOR, have a look at the new merch, have a look at the new food. There's lots of exciting things going on. Yeah, can't wait, super excited. Can I just point out, can you notice? Can you tell the difference? By the way, best nail technician. These are so cool. New food!
I don't know what any of it is.
Nom 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 nom. So we've just had a look at the food. Looks really good this year. They're going for a different theme, but it looks good. It looks really yummy. So James got some squid. Actually, it's really nice.
Here we go, boys.
We got a film test. Wait, no. There you go. You have to now do it.
Oh, hello.
Do it now. Sorry.
Got a taste test of the squid. Don't know what the sauce is.
Is it nice?
The flavours, voluptuous. It's actually really good.
Is it? It looks nice. Okay, so if you couldn't tell, my microphone decided to give up. So you can't actually hear my reaction, but the squid was super tasty. I'm very excited to try out the Rollercoaster Resturant this year, quite honestly. It was so good. Okay, so we're heading over to TOXICATOR. I am super excited for this one. If you all didn't know, oh my god, it looks so cool already. I am like, my favourite thing in the absolute world is flat rides. Flat rides, I prefer some flat rides to roller coasters, to be honest. Oh my god, it looks so cool. Yeah, by the way, oh my god, it looks so sick. Tell me this isn't like the bestest thing you've ever seen. That looks so sick. What on earth? So you've got some hubs there to dry yourself off. 1.4 height max is 1.95. Wow, this looks so cool. In terms of accessibility, you've got the board over there. You've got, oh my gosh, is that a lift for accessibility? They've got a lift. Yes, they've got a lift. They've got theming in the queue. If you do struggle with cattle pens, it does sort of seem a bit cattle penny. I don't know if don't know if that makes sense. Don't know. I'm so excited to be getting on that they've got the Century Guide. This is so exciting. You actually have no idea how excited I am for this. Like, this is so cool. I'm actually like, oh my gosh. I'm literally like, I'm shaking. I'm so excited. The last time I have been on this ride type, or I guess similar, is Talocan, which was like Phantasialand 2+ years ago. This is so cool. We're gonna go. Look.
I think this is the batching area.
Wow. This looks so sick. So you've got all the flooring there.
All the restraints sound like they've just locked. Even more. Oh, here we go. Oh, the audio started. Oh my god! Whoa!
Okay, so I'm having a quick review. Dan, feel free to come in. Hello. So that's a brilliant flat ride, theming incredible. They thought of accessibility, which is brilliant. I don't know what the wrap queue will be like. We didn't really see the wrap queue, but they've got a lift, they've got the Sensory Guide. Yeah, the ride itself, I love flat rides, I love spinning, like literally flip me upside down a million times, love it. For me, that was like good. It was like tame, but it's nice.
You think Talocan is like,
for me, that's good.
Enough.
Yeah.
Whereas that is a lot tamer than Talocan.
Yeah.
But that's why I like it, because I don't like going upside down. Talocan genuinely hurts. That did not hurt at all.
So that's the thing, like that. I agree with Dan. It's sort of like depending what you like. I mean, for me, it's perfect. It's my favorite. I know there's not really loads of flat rides in the park, but it's definitely my new favorite flat ride. Is it your favorite flat in the UK?
I don't know. It's up there though.
We need to do it. We need, because the thing it's brand new. We've only done it once. We need to go on it quite a few more times, I think, throughout the year. And at the end of this year, I'm going to tell you if I think if it's the best in the UK or not. So we just wanted to have a look under the tunnel. How cool is this? This is so cool. Green is my favourite colour, by the way, other than pink. Pink and green are like my they're my faves. This is so perfect. This is so cool. Like, look at the theming on the fencing. This is sick. Splash zone. Oh God. That's not where I want to be. I don't know if you noticed, but they're going up and down with the ride. That's super cool. This looks so cool. So just to confirm, you can either sit on this side, this is your view, or, hang on, let me transport. Or you can go on this side and face out this way. It's cool! Okay, so I've come into the bunker, the Nemesis bunker, to have a look at their new Toxicator merch. There's some really nice stuff. I'm already eyeing up everything, which is a tiny bit dangerous, but that's okay. These bottles, oh, they suit my nails so perfectly. Look, oh, it's so nice. There, you've got a cool timer not slime thing. You've got a magnet, that's really cool. You've got a mug. Dan's obsessed with the cap.
Yeah, I'm just stroking a cap.
Super cool. Oh, they've got some intoxicator pens. That's super jazzy. I could do all my work with that. Little Toxicator keyring. I love the logo. And in terms of clothing, they also have some t-shirts with some, like, the lines through. That's really cool. I like the stripe on the sleeve. It's got a bright neon. My camera does not even do this top justice. It is so bright. And then we've got the black. And then we've got all the classic Nemesis merch. I believe there is a new Nemesis jumper and t-shirt. I'm going to show you from here. They're nice, aren't they? Super nice. And then, yeah, I don't know if I'm allowed to show you this. Got 2025 Nemesis Reborn pin, which is super lovely. Those bags, I don't think they're new, but they sort of do look new to me. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, it looks super cool. They've got some toxic waste. Okay, so one thing I have thought about with the ride is the fact that it is a happy medium. So like people that don't love spinning as much and people who love spinning, it's like finding like the happy in between. So I think it definitely achieves that. And to be fair, I'll be riding it throughout the year, so we'll definitely see how it goes, but I'm super impressed. It's super cool. The park's looking amazing. There's so many little teasers to Toxicator around the area, so look out for those tomorrow morning on opening day. For what, to release a vlog on time? What on earth? So we were very kindly given a goodie bag, and ignore my 7-Up. I wanted to show you everything that's inside. So, got the goodies. Let's have a look and see what's inside. I don't fully know what's in here. 2025 pin badge. Pretty cool, pretty snazzy. Got a drink, classic. Love a Coke, by the way. I am a Coke, that sounds really bad. The drink Coke. I am a drink Coke queen. Got a map for this year. The map looks super cool. I'm gonna insert a video of the map now. I'm so excited this year. It looks super, super cool. Super impressed by the map, the design, insane. Yeah, I love it. Then we've got a very cool Toxicator t-shirt. I'm going to be wearing this all day, every day. You know what? At night too. Got an Nemesis pen. So we've got an Alton Towers book. Gold pages. That's super funky. See what else is in here. We've got there's so much. We've been so spoiled. Got a poncho. Got a poncho. We've got 2 ponchos. Got 2 ponchos. And then we have a mug. Don't know what's the mug. I don't know what the mug's going to be like. Oh, how cool is that? That's so cool. Yeah, that's really cool. I love that. Thank you so much, Alton Towers. We've had a brilliant time at the creator event for Toxicator. The ride is brilliant, like we've said. You are gonna love it. Like I say, very happy medium. If you're not the biggest fan of flipping, if you absolutely adore flipping, it is flipping epic. That is the best way to describe it. Thank you, Dan. I will not be paying you for your time. Right, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you all tomorrow for the opening of Alton Towers for 2025. Goodbye.